WWE Champion, Carpintero. His opponents, Wyatt, and the Maniacs.
And the odds aren't in their favor. It'll take a massive amount of intestinal fortitude to win this match. Goes behind, and the taunting continues.
A shining example of teamwork as they hit the double team.
And here's some more trash talking. This match will have a lot of big moves. One question will be, who will capitalize on those moves the best?
Elbow to the bridge of the nose. He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Wild strike doesn't find a home. And again, the mind games are played.
And he put everything he had behind that Irish whip. Oh, what a whip, rattling every fiber of his being.
And this is going to return to the ring. Big kick echoing around the...
Watch this!
And now, looking to put him away.
About an immovable object.
Skinner controlling the head.
Oh my, what a jawbreaker. The soldier answers back. No, but this is it. Here we go. What's he up to here? Whoa, watch out. The announce table is getting torn down.
And he gets back in.
Look at this. Bulldog!
And he's getting out of there.
And the soldier blocks it.
Oh, what a clothesline.
What's he going to find?
Skinner into the headlock.
This could be the difference maker. Ow, what an elbow. Oh, big elbow.
Once again, no holds barred in this match. Everything is legal.
Oh, a last-second rescue. Attack broken up there.
There's the Bulldog.
And we might see someone get assaulted with those heavy steps. Oh, wait, nice reverse.
Hard shot to the skull.
Oh, no, not the steel steps.
Now back to the ring. Now,
oh, no. Oh, my gosh. I thought he was going to... Now he's using the sledgehammer to try to take out his opponent. Look at this.
Oh, these sledgehammer shots are just vile.
So much for a safe work environment. Much more, and WWE might get slapped with a lawsuit.
Nicely avoided there.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars, you're looking at constellations. Oh, geez, that's some serious pain. Big save by their partner. Whoa, what a drop kick. Here comes the steel chair. Boy, he was able to reverse it and get out of that.
Nobody wants to give an inch in this.
A quick punch to the gut. It's a sledgehammer. He's got a sledgehammer. Look out. He's got the sledgehammer. Get ready to see more damage done with that. Oh, my God. What a chair shot.
Nice dodge there.
Oh, he's on the move again. He's got the steel steps again. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. And here's those vicious steel steps again.
Just driven to the floor.
Nobody's going to be the same after this match. There's that chair again.
What's he doing? Oh, how smart was that? These men are playing Russian roulette with their careers in this environment.
Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching.
Good teamwork there.
Whoa, look how groggy he looks. He's in desperation here. Oh, did you hear the impact from that headbutt? What a battle this has been. This no disqualification, anything goes match.
What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here?
Look out! Oh, man, off the steel steps!
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
Right in the kisser.
Skinner reverses it. No one home for that one.
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. Oh, what an impact! Steel against bone. He's looking to do more damage with that object.
And he missed that one. Barbaric impact.
These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Oh, what an elbow! That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. And again the opponent sent flying. A sharp kick. He fails to connect. And now this match is going from bad to worse.
You said it. I don't think this is a good idea.
Skinner wins.